The Advanced Diploma in Clinical Research, offered exclusively by LLRI, is a course that brings you everything you need to kickstart a rewarding career in clinical research. First, let's talk about the essentials. When you complete this course, you'll receive an LLTP Advanced Diploma Certificate, a soft copy, directly accessible for your professional portfolio. Over 7 months, you'll gain 5 months of technical skills and 2 months of essential corporate training, making you are well prepared for the clinical research field. And yes, we are serious about your future. With our limited pre-placement support, we aim to get you started in the industry with a salary ranging between 2.8 to 6.5 LPA. With only 2 hours a day, our course is crafted to fit into your schedule, giving you the flexibility to learn without compromising on the quality. From Monday to Friday, join live interactive classes on the WISE app, an advanced edtech platform designed to bring learning to life. And every 15 days, we host mock sessions to sharpen your skills. Need support? We are here 24/7 to clear your doubts. Plus, our dedicated channels on WhatsApp and Telegram keep you connected to placement opportunities all the times. And we offer flexible payment options, making it easier for you to start your journey. The Advanced Diploma in Clinical Research by LLRI, the career boost you have been waiting for. Enroll today.